My name is Jessica Pack, and this is my top 3 character strengths presentation. Okay. So my top 3 strengths were humor, gratitude, and spirituality, and they are all transcendence. My first characteristic was humor. It is liking to laugh and tease, bringing smiles to other people, seeing the light side, making and not necessarily telling jokes, but making them. I truly enjoy seeing people smiling and laughing. I try to keep things lighthearted and not too serious. One way that I can work on this is, although I do enjoy seeing people smile, I need to assess the situations at times and make sure I'm being appropriate for the situation, because there are definitely times when I can, crack a joke when it's just not really appropriate, but it's just kind of how I deal with things. Gratitude. Being aware of and thankful for the good things that happen, taking time to express thanks. I try to practice taking time each day to thank God for the things that I have and for the opportunities I have been given. I could do better at this, though. I do find myself here lately a little bit more in a bitter mood, and I need to get back to who I was before, and in order to do that, I need to practice gratitude a little bit more, I think. Spirituality. Having coherent beliefs about the higher purpose and meaning of the universe. Knowing where one fits with the larger scheme. Having beliefs about the meaning of life that shape conduct and provide comfort. I feel as if I'm a fairly religious person, and it's something that I take pride in. I believe we all have a purpose for being on this earth, and how we choose to see that is truly up to us. I think that it's important to have that connection with God, if that's whom you believe in. If not, that's okay. I pray daily, but it's always something that I can be working on. I definitely turn to God for most things, and I feel that prayer for me is a comfort. So that works for me, but I can definitely do it more throughout my day. Were any of these traits a surprise to me? No. I truly think that I generally make people smile. I practice gratitude and have time with God each and every day. Like I said, I could do that more often. But these are 3 very important things in my daily life, and I wasn't surprised at all to have these as my top 3 character traits. How can I use gratitude in my career? So you can take time to say thank you, show respect to my peers, appreciate their wins, not just mine, and be there to help when they need it. I think showing thanks and appreciation in the workplace is important. It can change the entire morale of an environment. Showing gratitude makes for an easy workplace and is key in getting along with coworkers. So that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching.